What's up, guys? It's David Miazga of David Miazga Racing, Fuel Racing, the Budget Pro, my channel. Well, spring's here, and it's time to put the crankshaft in the big block. I'm going to throw that in real time. Sitting there, got my main caps. Oh, down in here somewhere, city believe me. Yep. And let's see here, crankshaft. It's right there. We're gonna just toss that in tonight. And we may get a chance to throw a rod in tonight yet, but I'm not sure. So stay with me and join along in the process of mocking up this big block finally, and we can get this thing running. Cheers. Let's do it. Let's do this. All right. So let's pull this off here. I'll just pull the head off. I don't need the head off. I'll just flip the block around and then slide the crank in. The camshaft can go in after because I'm going to be degreasing the cam in too. So I'm going to be putting the crank in and then the rods, one piston for now to see pistons, or sorry, right there, just to see it, to start checking everything on my heights. So let's do this. All right, I'm just gonna set the camera up over here, and we'll go from there. Let's pull the center flange off. Oh, good, the furnace off. All right, so we'll just get this all together here. Start with my crank in. I don't expect to have any issues, but you don't think you're going to have any issues, you usually do. Oops. All right, I guess the camera stopped there with me pulling the head off. So, but anyways, got the head off. There's the head. There's the head gasket. Focus. It's a 60 thou head gasket. You can see it's in good shape. No issues. You can see the receiver groove in it there. Oops. Yeah, you can see the receiver groove that's in the block. This is the head side. Anyway. Okay, good. And I guess there's the back side of the block, underside. These are the bearings that came. I haven't changed. I got brand new bearings for it, but these are the bearings that came with it, and I mean, you can see they're fine. This motor had approximately 30-ish runs on it, and you can see. I'll just move this one here, get a little closer. You can see. Okay, so you can see after 30 runs. These bearings are totally usable. I'm focusing here. You can see that they're totally, nothing wrong with that bearing. It's so usable. That's just the align board. So you can see the bearings. That's the center cap. Number 1. Number 2. 2 looks good, or sorry, that's number 3. Number 4. let's say these were the bearings that came with the motor. I haven't, I got a brand new set, but of coated bearings, but they were running approximately 30% overdriven with about 28 or 29 degrees timing. So you can see that's, yeah, it's pretty good. And this is the main, rear main. The thrusts are awesome. It was on, this was behind, actually, this had a Lenco transmission with a clutch. So you can see that it's, you know, thrust is good. So, and you can see, you know, just like all the supercharged engines of these older blocks, you can see there's some movement, catwalk, but that's to be expected. I'm going to put dowel pins when it goes to the machine shop. I want to upgrade the caps to billet steel, and then I want to get some dowel pins put in here to hold them from walk, so the cap doesn't walk. And it didn't have a front crank support for the Supercharger. Oops. They didn't have a crank support on the front of the crank, so that was part of the reasons you'll see. Mainly, these two ones will actually walk the most, especially the center one. It will start whipping because of the deflection right here, and because you're pulling down this way, so the crank's actually got rolled this way. Oops, rolled this way. So then it's going to go like this, right? It's whipping. So stop that. I'll have a crank support on the end of it, and so I'll stop that problem. But it's in good shape. So, all right. So let's pull the crank out, and I'll just find this other bearing here. We'll slide her in, and onwards and upwards. Put the camera down. There we go. Still getting a good snap in there. Let's get to the fun part. Oh boy, this could be a problem. That felt pretty heavy. Alright, let's move some of this way. There we go. I think it's not gonna work. All right, I just gotta get my tools to pull this off. I'm gonna pull this off. So I'll just put the centerpiece in there. Let's go like this. Like that. Iron thread. I hope I have the right bolts here. Well, I need a some special bolts here to pull the. I need some fine thread. Yeah. Anyways, I need some fine thread, 5/16. Oops. But anyways, this is the puller. Yeah, I need to get this off. I mean, I got this off without pulling that off, but apparently I can't get it on with that on, so no sense. I don't want to end up breaking this, so I'll get some proper bolts. Yeah, so I need some. All I got is coarse, long ones, and I need some fine thread. So that's what it is. So I guess we'll continue this on another day. I'll get some bolts, and we'll continue on. All right. This is David Mosger, David Mosger Racing, Dadful Racing, the Budget Pro, my channel. Peace out.